Hello my people, I greet the full house. Also now they fine. Now do well so now tell the help me to the share, comment, like. God go bless you now. I appreciate you now well. Now me una sister Untouchable Mama. Now me still get talk your problem, advise you. My people, now wow. Not the person not go here for social media. Hey, when I see this bishop, this man, he talk many things with him man about TV Joshua. He say TV Joshua, not be say he just go like that, say na God call out. He said then payment the man. If you na hear wetin this man talk, not be small thing, not be say just to talk. I will put the video and I go listen with una ear, na hear wetin he talk. Because no say sometimes people they talk, but something like this, not be wetin person they joke about. Say you know person wey do am, you know say the payment the man. Waiting. Maybe you want the famous or maybe you want the popular, but that one not make you to be talk something where I don't know whether you don't know. Now only God know, because the way we talk, it just be like saying get assurance. Say see, you know what happened today. You know what happened to TV Joshua. My people, sometimes we have to learn, as we tell the talk. Learn wetin comot for your mind, because they feel use against you. You feel your thoughts say you don't talk maybe you just see for vision, or maybe na the TV Joshua na can't tell you for dream, because na so it go end later when they will go ask and say okay, since the family believe say na God na call am, since you know wetin happen to am, make you come explain. Pastor, where they still dey hear in name like that, you just put your mouth dey talk with, say you know say the kpemera no be ordinary one, this one now, so he get many followers for Facebook. He just like the way when they talk now, because of I don't know my people whether na because of, or maybe he want preach. Now that one I preach where they supposed to they preach. The man don't go. May everybody say may he rest in peace. No, another one don't run come out. Say see what he happen. No be say no be the way when they talk my people. If I put the video, now go listen. He say get proof. He say he know many things about wetin go on for that TV Joshua body. My people, because you know say sometimes when something go happen, person go just say okay, maybe we just forget like that. But as article come out now, cause they talk many things, say he knows this one, he know that one about TV Joshua. Maybe the family they go call ask him, because the family talk say na God call am, but he talk say they payment the man. My brothers and sisters, sometimes if you they talk, they listen to what you they before you talk. Come and you fair listening. Say what you they talk, so it go put you for problem. I be not go put you. Make sure say you get the you really get what you know really know what you they talk. Because when they go call ask now, the family must ask, because if they see this kind of video, as we see we say maybe you know something, you must talk. They go say me you can't talk. I believe say go come dey bend and say na for dream. Because na so they do, they'll say na for dream, na so they see am for dream, na so it come appear, it come give them, say see wetin happen, na so they'll come bend. My brothers and sisters, if you dey talk, especially when it come to person say they lost person lost the life, it get the way we take talk am, make they not come hold you say wetin you know, make you come bring am. If you really know something, you go bring and come. If you not call low, maybe say you don't use matter to rub yourself. You don't use matter to rub yourself. This one a bishop. I don't know whether that kind preaching to preach of person where don't let say you know everything. When the time go reach, maybe you know because as we dey talk now, maybe you really know. Now make can come out, come talk because what you know, you not come public, maybe you come dey talk because then go ask you. Then from there you not come to say na joke you dey. That your joke go dey expensive that time. My people, may I put the video? Mona listen to wetin this bishop talk about TV Joshua, the TV Joshua death. He say the kpemera, say not ordinary one, say not just go meet Baba God like that. Because as we know for social media, say he go meet Baba God, but he say he know something, say the kpement the man. Maybe you really know. I believe say the family of TV Joshua, they will go ask and say, may you can't tell us how you know something, because they don't know, because now waiting then tell wetin dem tell people for social media say the man don go, Baba God don call am. Then this one say no, say he know something. Maybe really no. We dey wait, we dey here. Anything where we dey see, we go dey bring am come, because na him use the man take talk am. My people, more na lis ten to the video, more na help me share am. God bless you all. One love, na bye bye.
TB Joshua was killed though. He didn't die. Oh. TB Joshua was killed. Because by history, there is no black man of God in the world. That YouTube, his followers are more than a country.
My God.
Yes. The followers that follow TB Joshua, there is no president in the world. There is no president in the world that have followers as compared to TB Joshua. In the world, there is no single man that president submit to. The whole world, it has never happened. That there is a certain man of God that president will leave their presidency and come to his church.
My God.
TB Joshua was killed. He has finished his work. I have the details. I will not share that one now. Yeah. YouTube was paying. He is the highest rewarder of YouTube currency in the whole world. YouTube doesn't pay. There's no human being that receives money as compared to TB Joshua, because of how people follow and watch his videos. The whole world. They killed TB Joshua. They killed him. Because in the history of the black race, there is no black man that is so popular as compared to TB Joshua.
Yes, sir.
He is popular than T.D. Jakes. He is accepted than Kenneth Hagin. Popular and accepted than Bishop David Oyedepo. Popular and accepted by nations. By the history of mankind, there is no black man from Africa who has properties, land and school in Israel. A school and land and properties and a university in Philippines. But the history of the black, there is no black man. TB Joshua didn't die. They calculated his death. What they used to kill him, I know. And the person they sent, I saw.
Wow. Amazing.
I saw. He said, I'm taking you to that realms. So you should be very careful.